Ever wanted your own AI avatar that talks, moves, and looks just like you? Today, I'll show you exactly how to create one, step by step. AI avatars are becoming the future of content creation. From YouTube videos to business presentations, you can use an avatar instead of recording yourself. Let's go through the tools you'll need. First, design your avatar. Use tools like Ready Player Me or Zepeto. Choose your avatar's face, outfit, and style to match your personality. Next, add voice with AI. Create a natural-sounding voice using 11 Labs or Murf AI. You can even clone your own voice for a personal touch, making it truly you. Now animate your avatar. Bring your character to life with tools like DID, Synthesia, or HeyGen. Just upload your script and your avatar will talk and move realistically. It's like magic! Then focus on customization and personality. Adjust facial expressions, tone, and gestures. This makes your avatar feel more human and engaging for your audience. Finally, let's explore use cases. AI avatars are perfect for YouTube channels, online courses, marketing, customer support, or even faceless social media content. The possibilities are endless. With just a few AI tools, you can have a digital twin that works 24/7. No cameras, no stress, just your AI avatar doing the job. Would you create your own AI avatar? Comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more AI guides.